Here is a Horng 12-inch oscillating table fan, model KH-203. It's one of those odd name fans, Horng or KH. I know there's another one, I think it's called hissing, something about that. It's like these Taiwan brand fans. When I first got this fan, I was expecting it to be like a very cheap fan at the time and probably didn't blow much air. But when I tested this and ran it for the first time, I was pretty surprised of how powerful this fan is. It really shows that even the cheap fans back in the day were even still pretty good compared to today fans. I would have to say this is probably a product from, judging by the cord and plug design here, probably around the mid-80s. The cord color is very interesting color. I don't know if we'll be able to pick it up on camera, but it's like a pink, almost like a pinkish color. Very weird. I don't know if that would have been the original color or it somehow faded or something. I don't know. Uses the more modern style plug design, but it is not polarized yet, so it's old enough to be that. It's in pretty good condition. There's no damaging to the plastic anywhere. The chrome medallion badge still has a mostly good shine to it. The grills are not rusty at all. I really do like the color of the blades though. The bottom, 12-inch desk fan. Here's the informations. Made in Taiwan. And we'll go ahead and plug it in and we'll turn it on. We'll start with low. It is a little noisy on startup, but once the motor starts warming up, it does quiet down. I really do like the push button controls on this. They push down like a piano key. Kind of like what the wind mirror fans do. It's pretty quiet and it's blowing a good amount of air. when I first got this fan, this thing was very dirty. So this was used quite a lot over the years from the previous owner. And after cleaning it, it came out pretty nicely. Alright, we'll go in medium. It's not quite as strong as a Last School Galaxy table fan at the time of the 80s, but it is pretty strong though. We'll go to high. Put on oscillator. And off. So there it is, a 12-inch Horng oscillating table fan.